Let's talk about upscaling images. Now, we've all seen the detective series where they take a incredibly pixelated picture and then upscale it, and before you know it, the perpetrator or criminal is crisp, clear, and can be identified. This technology isn't quite as it is demonstrated on those shows, but we do have something that is now coming very close to allowing us to upscale blurry images. Let me demonstrate this within Canva with some tools that everyone has access to. So if you have access to a Canva account, this is something you can try out today. So what if we could take this image here of the Mandalorian, which is very pixelated and blurry, and turn it into something that looks a little bit more like this. Right? It's not ideal, it's not perfect, but it already looks 100 times better. So let me show you how this was done. Here on Canva, we're going to start by uploading our blurry image. So on the left-hand side, I'm going to go to plus and the bottom upload. This is where I'm now going to select this file that I'd like to change. So I have this image here, Mandalorian, and as you can see, it's very low resolution, low quality, blurry, pixelated. I'm going to click on Edit Image. So let's go ahead and do that. Our photo is being uploaded. We are in our editor. I can now create a design with this image, or I can do all my edits right here from this editor. So on the left-hand side, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Upscale. When I click on Upscale, it's going to open this in a brand new design and start scanning the image to upscale it. So let's go ahead and open this design. And you can see we have that blurry image and it is being scanned by Canvas AI. It is still working. And there we go. We have our new upscaled image. If you'd like to compare this with the previous image, no problem. Let's go ahead and add the original image back in. We're going to go to our uploads and just get that original image in there so we can compare what the previous image looked like. Let's enlarge this to the same size. And as you can see, when I crop this image, you can immediately see the difference in quality. This is incredibly fast and incredibly powerful. So upscaling images is now available in Canva. If you have a Canva for Education account, you will have access to much higher limits. And if you are on a personal Canva account, you can always upgrade to get those higher limits. In the description below, you'll find all the information about how to get access to the Canva Education suite and also how you can try this out all by yourself. And I hope this was helpful. I also want to say a big thank you to all the channel members. All their names are up here on the screen. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you share it with someone in your team. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.